Dear Cheri, what is the best time of year to start an indoor cannabis grow? Thanks for any insight you might have. Okay, well, I will be happy to answer that one. How about tomorrow? The short answer is anytime, but before I get to the longer answer, just want to remind everybody to hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And do me a huge favor, hit that like button too if you get value out of my videos. So, usually I have Mitch Mandel here to help answer any grow questions, but I told him I think I could take this one on my own, and that's because you're talking about an indoor grow. So when you're doing an indoor grow, it doesn't matter. You can start that at any time of year. It absolutely doesn't matter. Why? Because you control everything. You control the temperature. You control the lights. You control when your plants go into flower. Everything about the grow is under your control. You're essentially God to your plants. So it doesn't really matter when you start it. You can start it any day of the week, any day of the year. It doesn't matter. Now, if we're talking about an outdoor grow, that is a different matter, and that has to do with Mother Nature. So we'll address that in another video. But for indoor grows, it absolutely doesn't matter when you start that grow. So I hope you do take the plunge, give it a try, and good luck with your first cannabis grow. We'll see you all next time.